I wasn't even a one-man band. I was a guy not really sure what I wanted to do, and I was almost looking at cleaning as maybe like a sort of side hustle, like if I could get a little bit of extra money while I'm thinking about what my next options are. At the beginning, it was like I said, it was like a side hustle. I was just trying to do a little something to get a little bit extra money while I was kind of thinking about what options I had, which were limited. So I started to do a little bit of cleaning during that transitional period. So I remember the first thing what made me think, actually, this could be business is I had a phone call from an office. So we used to clean this office on the weekend. Me and my friend Mo, big up Mo by the way. Me and my friend Mo, we used to clean this office on the weekend together, but it was like a bit of a joke. Like we'd do it like a 1 hour, 2 hours together. But it was like kind of us for us to have a bit of a catch up, but we'd do the cleaning. And then one of the managers called me and said, "You're doing a fantastic job at cleaning the offices. Office, not even offices, office. Can I put you in touch with a hostel, like a sort of project, like a sort of mental health hostel in Victoria? They're looking to have some cleaning services done." So I was like, yeah, sure, no problem, give them my contact number. They called me and they needed one cleaning operative for about 4 or 5 hours a day.